Okay, students. Next lesson number 9, comparisons, on page number 21. Okay, read these sentences and see the picture. A tree is taller than a bush. See here, bush is given, tree is given. So, tree is taller than a bush. The scale is longer than the pencil. The scale is longer than the pencil. The pillar is thicker than the lamppost. The pillar is thicker than the lamppost. Fourth, Pooja is 6 years old. Neha is 8 years old. Neha is older than Pooja. Rina's dress is more beautiful than Simi's dress. Okay, so here you can see these all sentences shows comparison between two things or between two human beings. Here we can see that comparison has done, right? So this is known as comparison. But see here, to show a comparison between two things, we use the ER form of the word, or we use more. We often use than also. When we want to do comparison between two things, at that time we use the special form which added ER. Right? You all know now adjective. But when we add ER to that adjective, it is become the comparison form. Okay? And after that ER form, we keep THAN then. Okay? Or sometimes we are not adding ER, but we only add MORE more before that adjective. Okay, so see one more rule. Generally we add ER at the end and to make that form a comparison form. But sometimes the word is longer, then at that time we do not add here odd. At that time we add before that word more when the word is too long. Okay. So this is known as comparison. Okay. When we do exercises, then you can know that thing. Now see. Tick the correct word in the bracket. Exercise B. Next page. The table is bigger or smaller than the stool? Now answer me. The table is bigger or smaller than the stool? The table is bigger. So underline the word, or sorry, tick the word bigger. Okay, now see. The rope is shorter or longer than the belt? The rope is longer. Okay, rope is long, belt is short. So the rope, here about the rope they are asking. So the rope is longer than the belt. Third, Sanjay is blank than Anil. Sanjay is fatter or thinner than the Anil? Sanjay is fat. So Sanjay is fatter than the Anil. See here FAT double T they have written. Why double T? Because last word T is consonant, but before T A is a vowel. So when before consonant word vowel is there, at that time we write double consonant at the end and we add ER here. So Sanjay is fatter than Anil. Okay. Next, grandfather is blank than the father. Grandfather is older or younger? Older, right? So grandfather is older than father. Fifth, The dictionary is blank than the English book. See, thinner or thicker. This is the dictionary and this is English book. So dictionary English book से thick है कि thin है? Thick. So thicker. Okay, we add er before the word form before then. Okay, in this way we compare. The football is smaller or bigger than the cricket ball? Football is smaller or bigger than this ball? Bigger. Okay, very good. The boy is blank heavier or lighter than the baby? This is boy and this is baby. So whose weight will be more? Man or baby? Boy or baby? Boy, right? So the boy is heavier or lighter? The boy is heavier. Okay, so this is our first exercise. I hope you understand, right? Okay, the exercise is not over. 8 number. The rabbit is bigger or smaller than the dog? The rabbit is small, right? So the rabbit is smaller than the dog. 9. Shruti's hair is longer or shorter than Vibhu's hair? See, she is Shruti and she is Vibhu. So whose hair is long? Shruti's hair is long? No. So Shruti's hair is longer than Vibhu's hair. Then see, the giraffe's neck is shorter or longer than the horse's neck? See, this is giraffe. This is giraffe's neck and this is a horse and this is horse neck. So whose neck is longer or shorter? Giraffe's neck is longer than the horse's neck. Okay, so tick here. So in this way you have to tick the word. First, whenever you read the sentence, first thing you have to compare with the another one. So we will have to tick the answer related to first word. Okay? Okay, now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the bracket. Now what we have to do? We have to write the correct form of that word. Okay, for example, a camel is blank than a horse. So camel is what? Taller. So what we will write here? Camel is taller than a horse. Taller. Taller than a horse. Okay, second. June is blank than January. So June is what? If we want to write hot, then which word we will write here? Tell me. Hotter. But which spelling we will write here? Hotter. Double T here we will write. Why? I have already explained you that when we see the word, if the last word is consonant and before that word if any word is a vowel, then we double that last consonant. So hot, in the word hot, last word T is a consonant and before the consonant O is a vowel. So at last we write double T in hotter. So June is hotter than January. Okay. Third word. An aeroplane is blank than a train. So an aeroplane is what? Faster. Okay. So which spelling you will write? Faster. See, here we do not do double T. Why? Because before T, S is there and S is not a vowel. S is a consonant. Okay? Okay, fourth. A bus is blank than a car. So, a bus is what? Bigger. A bus is bigger than a car. Again the same rule we will apply which we have done in hotter. Here bigger, right? Double G. Why? Because before G, I is a vowel. You know 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels, no? So before last word, if is there any vowel, we have to double the last consonant. So a bus is bigger than a car. See in the picture. Fifth, an elephant is blank than a cow. Elephant is what? Here picture is not there, but you can make out that elephant is heavy or heavier? Heavier. Now see here again the different rule we will apply. Heavy. What is the spelling of heavy? H-E-A-V-Y. At last Y is there. When any word ends with Y and if we want to add ER to that word, what we will do? We will write I instead of Y and we will add ER. So here what is the spelling of heavier? H-E-A-V-I-E-R. We will cut Y and we will instead of Y we will write I. Heavier. Okay? Very good. Sixth number. The tap water is blank than the river water. The tap water is what? Cleaner. Right? Tap water is clean? No, river is not clean. But tap water which comes in our house, that is clean. So, cleaner. C-L-E-A-N-E-R. Here we add only E-R. Simple word. Then, an ant is blank than a butterfly. So, an ant is what? Small, smaller or smaller? Small, right? And ant is smaller. So, S-M-A-L-L, add only ER. Generally, we add only ER to that adjective. Okay? This rule apply only when the word is end with Y, when the word is end with consonant, but before the consonant, if vowel is there, at that time only we will apply this rule. 8th number, the peacock is blank than the crow. Right? Now see here, the which word is given? The word beautiful is given. This is a long word. Right? So here when this type of word we use, at that time we do not add ER to that word. Here we will not write beautifuler. But what we will do? We will add more to that word. Okay, M-O-R-E, more beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. So, the peacock is more beautiful than the crow. Whenever you find the word with this two vowels pronunciation, right? Long, too long. At that time, we add more to that word. For example, beautiful, handsome, wonderful. Okay? This type of words take more before that word. We do not add ER to that word and we add more. So, the peacock is more beautiful than the crow. Okay? So, I hope you all understood. Right? So, do all this exercise properly in your grammar textbook.